The replacement Dyson charger model, 20570-02, input, 100-240V, 50 to 60 Hz, 1.0 off. Output, 26.1V, 0.8 off. Note, this Dyson charger do not fit for Dyson AC adapter DC30, DC31, DC34, DC35, DC44, DC45, DC56, DC57 Dyson Absolute V10 vacuum. Replace Dyson AC adapter charger power adapter. Compatibility with Dyson V6 cordless vacuum / Dyson V8 absolute cordless vacuum / Dyson V8 animal cordless vacuum / Dyson V7 absolute cord-free vacuum / Dyson V7 Motorhead cord-free vacuum. Fits, Dyson wall docking station, and DC58 DC59 DC61 DC62 DC74 SV04 SV05 SV06 Dyson cordless vacuum. Compatible with Dyson V6 DC58 DC59 DC61 DC62 SV03 SV04 SV05 SV06. Replacement part number, 209462-01, 209468-01, 209568-01, 210334-01.